gonna make some white walls out of these motherfuckers. Got this one all taped up already. I got some super secret paint that I use that works on rubber and doesn't crack and chip and shit. Just about as good as a regular white wall, but for way less. On a used set of tires. Hey. Ooh, buddy. This thing is gonna look sick in about 20 seconds. Should have painted the rims first. Barely even cleaned them. Oh, it's gonna look badass though, man. Wide whites. Oof. So, we're trying to make these wheels look a bit nicer. There's like this oxidation and shit all over it. I washed it and scrubbed it and this shit won't come off. There's a little secret to it though. Use some thin steel wool, get it wet, use a little soapy water, and it comes off quite a bit easier than any other way I've seen. So we'll do a little bit of that right now. Like nothing else would take this off. I scrubbed it with a microfiber and a scrubber brush, car wash, and a bunch of other shit. Nothing is working. This. Starting to come back. See, I do. Shit's almost looking chrome again. Ooh, that's what a finished one looks like. Well, not finished. I just finished cleaning it. It's still probably gonna get a little bit of chrome polish on there. I mean, it doesn't look perfect, but it looks 1,000 times better than it did. Thing looks like brand new just about. Just kidding. Doesn't look brand new, but looks 1,000 times better. Just like I said before. It's shiny now. You know, you see reflection in it now.
Yeah.